Today we're going to be replacing a multi-function power supply converter. And it's located right behind this panel here. This is on a 2018 Equinox. This is on the passenger side. You see the glove box. Anyway, we're gonna get started. First, we're gonna remove this plug here. It's got a 7mm bolt that holds it on. And take it up here with your hand and just give it a good pull. Slowly work it out. All right. This is our module here. This is your BCM. It's your amp for the radio. And this here is the module we're looking for, the multifunction power supply converter. Alright, there's some clips down on the bottom. Right there. We're going to push them down on each side. It's going to be hard to do it with one hand, so I'm going to have to lay the camera down. But there's one on each side. Push them down and pull out with the module at the same time. You see, it's kind of hard to get it unplugged, so you want to leave it plugged for now until you get it out. And once you got it out, you want to this little lock here. You want to slide it that way. Anyway, you slide the lock here, then lock it there. Kind of hard to do with one hand, so hang on. That old plug is kind of a little difficult, but you want to take it and with your hand, your thumb or whatever, and just push up, and it should push the plug on out of the module. Anyway, you can just reverse your steps. This is pretty much it. This module does not need to be reprogrammed, so everything should be fine. Just plug it back in, put everything back where you got it, and I think you'll be just fine. If this video was helpful to you, just subscribe to it and give it a big like. I appreciate you very much, and have a good day.